The session proved to be more than just a meeting of the finest statistical minds. Rather, it was a springboard for statistical development on the African continent, as the strong scholar presence and the rich program of scientific papers at the event proves. With more than 60 sessions daily and over 1,300 papers in total, delegates were spoiled for choice.
My concern is at the level of my continent.
Young African statisticians presented their pledge to Minister Trevor Manuel and officially asked the minister to be their patron, and he wholeheartedly accepted the offer. The ISI Capacity Building Program, a brainchild of Statistics South Africa, was thrust into the international arena during the 57th ISI session. Killing two birds with one stone might sound like a cliché, but in the case of ISI 6, mathematics and soccer became a perfect fit. Teaching statistics in this unique way was an idea developed by Statistics South Africa's Johnny Masegela after the announcement of South Africa's selection as the host country for the 2010 FIFA World Cup and ISI 2009.
The whole point of the exercise is to basically get the variables of who's the quickest player in the whole exercise. I think they use physical training because it sort of like teaches us how to gather information about their different ages, grades, and how much time they took to do the activity.
The 2009 ISI did not leave future statisticians behind. The ISI International Statistical Literacy Project, aimed at increasing statistical literacy for learners aged between 10 and 18, hosted a diverse statistics competition for students from around the world. Dedicated, hardworking, and ambitious are just some of the words that describe the learners who participated at the ISI 2009.
Greetings to you all present here. The President of the ISI, Professor Dennis Lichty, the Statistician General for StatSA, Mr. Fali Lehosa, the Deputy Director General for Corporate Relations at StatSA, Mr. Hussein Maluleka. I'm standing here as one of the learners who participated in the ISLP competition, and on Monday the 17th we took part in the ISI Soccer program.
I need to tell all of us gathered here that these two learners had been to the soccer field, was it Monday? Throughout, she plays soccer. And they were actually capturing all the data. They were not the two of them, many of them. They captured the data that has just been presented here.
It was during the week of the 57th ISI session that we were reminded that life is full of surprises. South Africa lost one of the best mathematicians of our times, Professor Thomson Makka Moo Lee, who the StatSA family shall greatly miss.
Professor Thomson Makka Moo Lee has, in his long and illustrious career as an educator in Soweto, influenced and shaped the minds of many great South Africans, including Nobel Prize winner Desmond Mpilo Tutu, Jackie Silebi, Frank Chikane, Siphiwe Nyanda, Kaiser Motaung, Ndabanzele, and many others. In 2002, Kambule received the Order of the Baobab in gold from former President Thabo Mbeki for his superb contribution to mathematics education, human development, and community service. He was also known as one of South Africa's greatest mathematicians.
In order to live up to the ISI brand and the unforgettable Southern African experience, there was a series of social events, from a networking cocktail to a beach party to the first ever dinner for women participants and many more. ISI will not be an ISI without recognition of the best among our statistical fraternity. From exhibitors to young statisticians and other stakeholders, we salute those who achieved excellence in their field.
The burden of our journey has been greatly lightened by the leadership of Minister Manuel and the Chair of Council, Mr. Howard Gabriel. The ADB, DIFD, DFID, Swiss Development Corporation, the World Bank, INWENT, and Paris 21 have made it possible for African participation at this ISI. Because ours is a journey born out of many challenges, because ours is a journey with many moons and years ahead, because ours is a journey of struggle, we dare not fail. ISI and the world, we shall not fail because you are here with us, sharing in our journey and our burden. I thank you.
The conference was it was a success. Most people, especially we young people, we gained a lot. Getting a chance to be amidst big people.
It was thrilling, adventurous, very resourceful. When it comes to academics, all this kind of information, it was very, very resourceful. I learned a lot because this is actually my first international conference.
I've learned couple of things. We've learned how to conduct a survey, how to analyze data. We've also learned how to talk to people and interview people. Yeah.
Well, all in all, it has been a positive surprise, and it has been really nice getting to know people, and the venues, the conference center, for instance, is really great.
The investment has been worthwhile. First, let me thank Statistics South Africa for hosting ISI, and I think it's been one of the most successful ISI meetings I've ever attended. The ISI meetings have provided an opportunity for the participation of a large number of Africans. I think this is the highest participation by Africans in ISI meetings, and it has provided them an opportunity to share experiences and ideas with colleagues from all walks of life on issues relating to statistical development. And also it has enabled them to be exposed to the latest developments in statistical methods and their application to day-to-day issues.
Ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed. The 57th ISI session will forever be remembered as one of the best in the ISI history. See you in Ireland and in Hong Kong.